I'd recommend the program, the SBM program, because you don't have to go it alone. And you don't have to be by yourself, making decisions every day, hoping that they're the right thing to do. You can make it with more confidence, and you learn about every aspect of the business, every nook and cranny of your business, from an umbrella perspective, and then through the one-on-one coaching, you can get into deeper aspects of the business. And what I like about it is whatever I need, I have somebody I can call and run things by to get a second opinion, somebody who's heard a lot from a lot of other businesses. So the coaching in itself is worth much more than the tuition.